blushing pink flower. Is it this one? Where is that other pink flower? Yes, you found the two pink flowers. Your memory is absolutely amazing. Now it's time for Yo Gabba Gabba.
Yo Gabba Gabba encourages preschoolers to move their bodies for healthy physical development, to make music to express themselves, and to share and care by supporting social and emotional development.
Yo Gabba Gabba!
Sheesh.